Well, good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, Paige is back home. I'm in Udon. We're going to be showing you what's going on in the bathroom renovation. We have two bathrooms upstairs. If you haven't been watching the channel, let me kind of break down what's been going on. Well, he's going to give me a price tomorrow. Let me show you what we talked about. Change that light. Change that light. I want this taken out and just a nicer sink with just kind of like a standalone little cabinet. Because we don't use this and it leaks. And I don't like it. So take it out, take all the tile out and cover these holes up. I want an exhaust fan put in there. I want this drain, this is the sink drain. I want that out and I want the drain put in the ground. They'll have to build it up a little bit. He can't go too deep because it's a second story. So he'll build up this a little bit and then if he does that, he doesn't have to take this tile out, I think. I'll have to ask him. But anyway, all new tile, new door. I want a door that, because this thing just barely, my head barely, it'll hit it if I stand up straight. So two new doors, a grown-up size doors. Fix all. I talked to him about changing all this in a few years. But anyway, he's going to take this and then move the switches in the wall here with new wire. And then in this bathroom, we're just going to change we're leaving this kind of Thai style. Well, just how it is. But new tile. Paige wants me to cover her flowers. Same thing, cover that with an exhaust fan. We're going to leave that drain there and just tile over everything. So get rid of this kind of hideous tile here. And yeah, that's it. So he'll give me a price tomorrow, what that's going to take. And then if we agree, I'll go buy the fan, the sink. And the reason why I'm going to put a smaller sink here is because I'm going to put a glass shower stall here. So, you know, it's always wet in here when you shower. We had our kitchen downstairs totally redone. Kind of a modern style. Everything was bought in Thailand. Everything is made in Thailand. But it's a modern design instead of the old-fashioned Thai design kitchen. And upstairs, we wanted to kind of get rid of the Thai style as well. For me, I was kind of tired of using the restroom and a puddle of water. I think that's what really kind of started the whole project idea. And I wanted to have a shower divider, a real shower divider in the bathroom. So today we're going to be sharing some of that. We got all of this stuff pretty much from Home Pro in Nakhon. I'm going to share all the pricing and everything at the end of this renovation series, which hopefully will be coming to an end pretty soon, and try to break it down as best as I can. Our builder has never installed one because it's not really common in this part of Thailand to have something like that in a Thai home. They accidentally drilled a hole into a water pipe. Our sink used to be on the front side of the wall when you walk into the bathroom, and they took that out and they just capped off the line. So they're having to do the repair on that. And yeah, anyway, thanks Paige for making this wonderful video today.
สิบอกไปเปิดไฟลืมไปบอกว่ามีไฟในตัวเลยเบอร์จะได้อุ้ยโทษจ้ะโอ้เดียใส่พอดีไหมบอกแล้วว่าเมื่อวานน้ำท่วม
ท่วมมีแล้ว
ท่วมแม่ว่าโอ้ย
เดี๋ยวถังบกหัวถังปูนมาถังไม่ใส่น้ำที่แรกว่ามันจะเป็นร่างแข่งกันของเราแต่เบิ่งของจริงแล้วมันจะเป็นมันจะมีแต่กระตุกคนมันจะมีแต่กระตุกล่าง
ล่างคุณพ่อปู่คือกันนะมึงจังบริเกตมึงล่างเหรอ
ล่างเปิดมันก็
ต้องแกะมึง
เสียจังหวะแล้วหมู่บ้านก็เลยกันเลยต่างกันสิก็เดี๋ยวจังหวะกินไม่เดี๋ยว
มาแล้วน้อยนึงอีกน้อยนึง
หมูพริกบดต้องใส่ดอกเลยแบบมันเผ็ด
อาโล
กันแตง
อาโล
ขึ้นล็อกได้ไหมขึ้นล็อกมือเดี๋ยวตัวนี้เขาจะดู
ติดอ่าง
ตัดมือไว้นุ่งเป็นยังไง
เรียบร้อย
ดีหน้าแต่ว่าบนนุ่งไปหลังของไป
เย้ let's take a look at the neighbor นี่เด็ก that's niceโอ้ยมันมีเป็นค่ะซันเดย์โอ้ยำอร่อยมากยำมะม่วงอร่อยว่าเป็นอะไรเอ่ยทอดกล้วยเป็นแหนมหมูทอดกล้วย เป็นไงอร่อยไหมบัวมาเที่ยวบอกก็จะมาเล่าค่ะแค่บัวอร่อยเลยบัวกล้วยหอมทองมาได้มาทอดอันนานบัวก็มันไม่เย็นมันร้อนเนี่ยดีอันนี้อร่อยกว่าอันนี้ขมเหลามันจะบ้า
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give Paige a thumbs up. We'll see you guys tomorrow. It's very noisy. Bye.